I wish I could immerse myself into the world more than humanly possible. It's a shame I'll never know what the sky tastes like, or what songs strawberries sing as they ripen. What stories does the color green whisper? What language does the wind speak? And when night falls, what is the sound of a sunset? What noises do the planets make when they spin? Or when stars flicker like candlelight? Let me drink the clouds the next morning. Let me lay in the dirt, become a sprouting mushroom. Maybe, when I someday die, I'll know the sound of bones decaying, and I'll look death in the eye and smile.